Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to share our finished DIY Under Stairs storage project with you guys, so let's get into it. We started off by adding some trim work around the new storage to create a cleaner look with the door panels. Getting these miter cuts were a bit tricky, but we used an angle finder tool and then plugged that value into an online miter angle calculator. Next was filling and sanding the holes in preparation for painting, as well as caulking where necessary. Another key detail that can't be missed is having the right painter's tape. I'll link our favorite tape in the description box below. For the paint color, I was torn between Agreeable Gray and Dorian Gray, both by Sherwin-Williams, but I did choose Agreeable Gray for its warmth and subtlety. I think it pairs well with the iron ore on the slat open casing that we previously did. I'll go ahead and link our favorite paint supplies in the description box. Is there anything more satisfying than a good tape peel? Paint prep takes a long time, but it's always worth it in my opinion. Now for the door panels. We used 1/2-inch thick MDF boards that were secured from the back to avoid having to fill screw holes. Achieving the right spacing was probably the most challenging part because Bernard needed to make sure there was adequate and uniform spacing at the top, bottom, and sides. A quick little dance to celebrate the progress and then back to work. I had the fun job of testing each installed door panel to make sure they open and close as expected and didn't touch the flooring, trim, or other door panels. Each door panel was edge banded because the edges are the weakest points on MDF boards and we wanted to protect them. To create a full paneled look, Bernard added 2 more faux doors. Those panels needed 1/2-inch thick backing to bring them to the same depth as the other 3 functional door panels. And another happy dance to celebrate the finish line. It was hard to film, but we did install some magnetic push latches to eliminate the need for door handles. And just like that, we've created hidden panels for our new and functional under stairs storage space. There's so much I love about this project, from how seamlessly the panels are hidden, to the added extra storage we needed, to the beautiful craftsmanship and paint color. For now, we're leaving the pull-out drawers natural. I still need to apply a few coats of poly to protect the shelves, as well as figure out the best storage containers to properly organize the drawers. But that will all happen later, as we're about to head out for another family trip. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.